In this video, we are going to see how we can keep our laptop screen to always on. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. All you have to do is, if you're using Windows 11, let's say, you'll head over to the start menu and right here, control panel. And once we're in here, we click on hardware and sound. And from here, we will choose power plan or power options. Whatever power plan you have, you just click on the current plan that you are currently using. Click on change the plan settings. And here you can see the turn off display is set to, let's say, if it is set to 20 minutes on battery and 5 hours when plugged in. And we want to keep our laptop always on. What we'll do is just click on this drop down and select never on the battery and on the plugged in as well. And I even don't want my computers to sleep, so I'll put the computer to sleep to never when plugged in and when on the battery. So click on save changes after that. And this is how you can set it to never turn off. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.